Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So I'm hoping to get a few videos out today. Hoping to get this done and then get through some of our binaries so we can move on to Stouffer's and Danny's maps. And eventually I love rock and roll. But I wanted to mention, and I wanted to do the, Danny brought it up last night, or brought something similar up last night. We were thinking about it. So we are learning as we go. And now that we've linked 9 quantum network users the same way with this gematria code, we have a new theory. And that theory is that the Freemasons built at least some of the quantum computers and therefore programmed at least some of the quantum computers. So the theory being, of course, since the Freemasons operate by this gematria code, right, so the algorithm would be set up as such. In other words, if Nanyang Technological University used the quantum computer like in Guns N' Roses Better, the quantum computer would automatically break down Nanyang Technological University. They know who the head was. Obviously, it's a quantum computer. It operates in reality instead of a... That's hard to explain. This computer operates on the internet. I can get on the internet and find out what certain thing, whatever this code stands for, in reality on the internet, and we can find out what they looked at and who was operating it or who was making the calculation too, if you know what you're looking for. Now, so these computers will, so it would automatically take all that information and then look for something to change to leave that code so that the gematria code would link, and with right, everything to those numbers, and that's why they connect. So through quantum entanglement and that code, anything those Masonic quantum computers or quantum chairs would calculate would leave a code based on the gematria code. Now, there's no way for me, the way my brain works, just to say, okay, here's the change, we're going to run the gematria code, because I wouldn't know what to look for. You have to do the decode. You have to find the pattern. You have to, and we thought the numbers would not run back to the quantum network user at all. Well, it turns out they will. But what they'll also do is hook up through this gematria code. So, I just wanted to say that. I wanted to get that out. That's our new theory. We're going to work on proving that theory as we try to connect more quantum network users through the gematria code. But once again, we don't just get those out of thin air. We actually have to decode it and see what they looked at, and it'll tell you that. If you're diligent about it, like I say, it will tell you who did it, who used the quantum computer. And in this case, it was Nanyang Technological University, and all the gematria matches, and it will all match together and be quantumly entangled through this code, because that's how they designed the computer. That's the new theory. It's not really a new theory. Me and my fiance discussed this possibility before, but we never really did a video on it. But now that after this last one, we were like, wow. So maybe we should throw it out there. And once again, that's me willing to be wrong. I was wrong that the numbers wouldn't run back to it. However, we see a new pattern, and that new pattern seems to be this Masonic Kabbalah gematria code runs through all these changes once you get down to who did it and what changed. So we're going to see if that pattern holds. And so again, we learn as we go. It's evolved from the start, and it's still evolving. We're learning more. So the more we learn, the better off we are. The more we know. And the more we can disprove and throw away with, or throw out, then the more on point we're going to be. So anyway, that's going to be it for this one. I will try to start getting our binary, which is just to squeeze more information out for anyone who's never seen the binary before. Um, it's the last thing we do. And we'll do that, and then we will move on to Stover's and Danny's maps simultaneously. Uh, but I'm not as good with maps, so we'll see how that goes. So anyway, guys, for now, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. Binary code coming out shortly. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.